Hey guys, this is Robert, and here is a pair of dress shorts, pants. Let's open it up, see how it is. Okay, so this is 29 waist, it's supposed to be 26 length. Feels pretty nice. So far so good. Everything looks good. There's the other side. This is 29, not sure to see. Side we have a pocket here. Back we have pockets, fake pockets. Or it's cut like that for some reason, I don't know. It's also pocket here. Just for show, you can store stuff in there, but they didn't cut it for some reason. And then another pocket on this side. Alright, so if you're interested in these pants, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.